Yes, Jaydeep, please tell me what
Yes, ma'am.
distributive property. Give an
Distributive
example.
property. Okay, ma'am. This property only works under the multiplication over addition and subtraction. Example, if we take numbers like 12, 14 and 17. If we want to add those two, we can do it as 12 into 14 plus 17. That is equals to 12 into 14 plus 12 into 17. That is equals to 168 plus 204. So when we add them, we will get the sum as 372. And another method is 12 into 14 plus 17. So that's equals to 12 into 31. That's equals to 372. And hence we got both the answers are same. And if we want to subtract the numbers like 12 into 17 minus 14, we can do it as 12 into 17 minus
Very good.
12 into
Yes, yes. Just
minus.
a minute, Nana. Just a minute. Yeah. Here, 14 plus 17. These are the ways you just see Drona. Drona, we can, this property, we can call it as mother and children property also. Why? Mother is who, whatever the number outside, that is mother. Mother is distributed for both the numbers. Mother is distributed for both the numbers. So that we can write 12 into 14. This is mother is 12 and she is distributed for first child. The same way, 12 mother is there. She is distributed. She is sharing her love and affection towards the other child too. So 12 multiplied with 17. If you multiply this, you will get the same way here. You are combining child 1 and child 2. What is 14 plus 17 together? 14 plus 17.
31.
30. If you multiply also, you will get the same number, 372. This is the one way. Same, the
Excuse
same
me,
thing.
ma'am.
Yeah, subtraction. Harsha, please tell one example for subtraction, Harsha.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Drona.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. After we, uh, ma'am, in 14 and
We have
17,
many exercise
the,
sums now, Drona. We will go means you didn't get any doubt. We will go with exercise sums only. Just a minute. We will start our exercise sums so that you can do your sums. You can apply the same technique.
ma'am, can I
Yes,
tell?
yes, Drona.
Ma'am, I'm Harsha, ma'am. You call me no, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Harsha. What is the distributive property? Just before multiplication over addition, Jaideep said. Can you please give an example for multiplication over subtraction?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if there are numbers like uh, 3,
Any
6, and 9.
any numbers you take.
Ma'am, 3 into 6 plus 6
Or you
minus
can
9.
take 9 bigger number because integers not completed for you. So that you can take bigger number. If you know integers also, you can take 6 minus 9 too.
Ma'am, I know digits, ma'am.
So that can we go with first you can say this part. We'll go with that part also. This is one more example. We'll go with the 6 minus 9. Okay.
Ma'am, 3 into
Who
9
is mother?
minus.
Who are children, Nana? Who is mother and children here?
Ma'am, here 3 is mother and 9 and 6 are children.
Okay, child 1, child 2. Come on, please expand that number.
Ma'am, 3 into
Hmm.
9
3 multiplied with 9.
minus
Yes.
3 multiplied by 6.
Very good. So that can you please give the answer? 9 threes are?
Ma'am, 9 threes are 27.
No, yes. 3 six are?
6 threes are 18.
Good. Can you please subtract? Use your property. Just what Vedic math. 27 minus 20 you should do.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is 9.
Exactly. It's 9. Very good. Good. Very good. Come on, Harsha. Can you please solve this part? Drona, please observe what is happening here.
ma'am,
yeah, ma'am.
now 3 into
Yes.
6 minus 9.
3 into 6. Mother, you are sharing with first child. How you will share for second two also?
Three,
Yes,
3 into 9.
very good. We supposed to not forget about mother. Only one child she won't give. She will share everything with both. Come on.
Ma'am, is this the distribution one?
Yes, exactly, Drona. Very good. It's a distributive property example. So we have many. Don't write. Don't write. Don't write. Drona. Don't write. Just observe. We have many bits to solve in the exercise bit. Yeah, we'll start our exercise directly. Very good, children. We'll go with our exercise sums now. It's already started. Write down, children. Exercise 2.1. Yes, write three natural numbers. After the numbers, write the next three natural numbers 10999. After this, you're supposed to write three numbers. Yeah, Drona, please, what are the next numbers of this? Drona, 10,999. Yes, after 10,999, what you will get?
Ma'am?
Are you able to see my screen, children?
Ma'am, it is structured, ma'am.
Okay. So that once again I share it. So I'm trying something yellow is happening here. Yes, just now are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, in this exercise, what we have to do, ma'am?
The first word, first exercise 2.1, first bit. Write next three natural numbers after 10,999. 10,999 after what are the numbers you will get, children? 11,000,
11,000.
11,001, 11,002.
Two.
Next, write three whole numbers occurring just before. Just before numbers you're supposed to write, children. What are the last number is given as 10,001. What is just before numbers? Rona. What are the before numbers, please?
Ma'am, the before numbers are 10,000, ma'am.
Very good. 10,000.
9,999, ma'am.
Very good. Four nines. 9,999.
9,998.
Very good. Right. Next, which is the smallest whole number? The smallest whole number is what, children? Yes.
Ma'am, 0.
Yes, the smallest whole number is 0. Very good. Whole number is 0. Next, fourth one. These are the basic questions, children. Basic questions. So we'll start next fourth one. How many whole numbers are there in between 32 to 32 to 53? 32 to in between 32 to 53. How many whole numbers are there in between, children?
Ma'am, 20.
20. Yeah. So 53, you should not include these 53 and 32. You have to, you should not include 53 and 32. Sorry, 32 and 53. In between numbers, you're supposed to think and write. Here is, who is that? Darshan, are you there? Not Darshan. What is the name of the boy, other boy in this now?
Ma'am, Aditya Ashmi.
Not Aditya. So I think
Yathat, ma'am.
Yadav.
Yathat.
Right. Yadav. Yadav, are you there in the classroom? Am I audible to you, Yadav?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Yadav, how many numbers are there in between 32 to 53? Come on, quickly answer, ma. Don't waste the time. You are counting, I think so. 30,
21.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why 21 you said? I know you are subtracting like that. 53 minus 32 you are doing, and you are getting as 21.
Ma'am,
But
21.
why you are getting 21? You should not include 53, Nana. You have to exclude 53 and write the answer, so that you are getting only
20.
20. Right.
Ma'am, we should exclude 32 also, ma'am, or only 53.
Anyway, you are excluded 32 because you are subtracting 32 means you are excluded 32. But you are included
Okay.
53 here, so yeah, that's why till or else you can take like that 52 minus 32. Why? Because what is our last number? You have to see here, 52 minus 32. Yes. Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubt? Any doubt, Nana?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Next one. Write the successor of. Write the successor of. Successor means what, ma?
Ma'am, if we add 1 to it, that's called as the successor.
Very good. Successor means add plus 1. Predecessor means subtract 1. Successor. Spelling also very important, children. Successor. Successor of. First one is given as 244
Ma'am, I sent the answers till 6 to 1, ma'am.
Very good, Harsha. Very good.
Ma'am, I too sent in the private chat.
Right, Mama. Successor means, let me find out from Yadharth. Yadharth, what is successor of this number?
Ma'am,
Yes,
2440702.
0702. Yes. Next, the same way, you have to find out. Yes, Harsha. Harsha, please respond, Nana. 1011.
Ma'am,
Yes, Harsha.
ma'am, it's 100200.
100200. Very good. Next, the see coming to the next one. This is for Jaydeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaydeep, what is successor of this number, Jaydeep? Plus, first, please read the number. How you supposed to read this number? Come on.
Ma'am, it is 10,99,999, and the
Wonderful.
successor of it is 11 lakhs.
Very good. Why? Because 10 lakhs 99,900. If you add 1 means you are getting as 11 lakhs. Wonderful. Good. Next one. Next one. Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. You need to find the successor of this number.
1 minute.
Just add to units place 1. That's all. No, nothing to. You just add to units place 1.
Yes, ma'am. It's 23 lakhs 45,000 671, ma'am.
Very good. 45,671. Good. Suppose you're supposed to read and ready to read and write the large numbers, children. That is most important. Why? Because we are learning in the first chapter how to write our larger numbers, reading and writing in both the systems. Next question. Write the predecessor, pre-KG. Predecessor, pre-KG, when you are reading, children, before coming to school, you are going for pre-KG. Pre means before. You have to subtract 1. Write the predecessor. Spelling also very important. Predecessor. Of predecessor of. The numbers are given here. 94. What is predecessor of 94? It is very simple bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsha.
Ma'am,
Yeah, predecessor of 94, Harsha.
Ma'am, 93. Ma'am, I wrote all answers in chat box
Right, Nana.
for
Right.
public.
Very good, very good. Anyway, we are going there only. Before going to that, yes. Next one, 10,000 predecessor. 10,000 predecessor for Jaideep.
Ma'am, it is 9,999.
Very good. So my next question to Yadharth. Yadharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Yadharth, Yadharth.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the predecessor of 2 lakh, 2,08,090?
Ma'am, 2,08,089.
8,080. Very good. 2 lakh, 8,000, 8,089. Right,
89.
right now. Next one for who is Drona. Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond. The question is here.
Yes, ma'am.
76. I'm writing. I won't read. You're supposed to read the number. Nana. Reading number is also most important. Please read the number and before predecessor.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm reading the number 76 lakhs 54,321.
Okay.
Predecessor is 76,054,000. Sorry, ma'am. 76 lakhs 54,320.
Good. Yes, this is the way we are finding predecessor and successor of the concept. So this is very simple. Next one, in each of the following bits, state which whole number is not left to the other number on the number line. This is also one simple thing, children. You have to see the question is given like the pair of numbers are given here. You're supposed to check which is left, which is right. 530.
Ma'am, we should check in a number line, ma'am.
Not only the general if you see, not only suppose if you take here 500, 500 towards the right side, 501, 502, 503. So our number is 503. You have to see if you continuously moving like that, what is 530 you will get. Now in this number line, which number is left, which number is right?
Ma'am, 530 is right and the 503 is left, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
this is right and this is left. Just like that, you can choose all the numbers, children. I will, yeah. Here the question for 300 and 370 and 307. 307. In this case, Drona, which is left and right? By seeing it seems you can say, ma.
Ma'am, you mean bigger and smaller, ma'am, in
Yes,
comparative?
yes, yes. Bigger
Ma'am,
number always right side, smaller number
yeah, ma'am.
always left side. Very good.
370 is right, ma'am, and 307 is left.
Yes, this is right and this is left. Very good. The same way you can choose for the remaining numbers, children. I didn't. I am not going to give the C bit, the C and D. The numbers are is 98765 is one number. 98765 is one number. The other number is 56789. 5656789. This is question for not Vallabha. Yes, Harsha.
Ma'am,
Harsha, can you please read the questions and which is the left, which is right? Can you identify?
ma'am, 370 and 307, ma'am.
No, that's okay. C bit. I'm writing on the C bit on the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, 56,789 at the left,
Very good.
98,765 at the right.
Wow. See, children, you observe all the cases. You observe all the cases. The left side numbers are smaller, right? If you are moving towards the right side on the number line, you are getting greater numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
That is a very important point you're supposed to remember. These are the things we know that very well. But why they're particularly given the question like that? Why for the students? So what you're supposed to conclude? Smaller numbers always on the left side. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. This is for Jaideep. Last bit it is Jaideep. Please read the number.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
you are supposed to answer the question.
Ma'am, the number is
Yeah,
98
first you are
lakhs
supposed to read the number.
30,450.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 98 lakhs 30,415 is on the left side
Okay.
and 1 crore 23,001 is on the right side.
Very good. Can you say why it is right?
Ma'am, because 1 crore 23,001 is greater than 98 lakhs 30,415. So it is on the right side.
Right, Anna, right. Just a minute. Yes, now the last one. This is the last question for you, children. Which of the following statements are true and false? Can I read, children? You have all you have textbooks with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Ashwath, Ashwath, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ashwath, do you have textbook with you?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Let me write on the screen. You have to choose 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it true, children? Natural number starts
Ma'am,
with
it is false.
False, ma'am, because 0 is a whole number.
exactly,
0 is the
exactly. Whole
smallest whole
number is
number.
not a natural number. Very good. Next, 0 is the smallest whole number.
True, ma'am. It's
True,
true.
ma'am.
Smallest whole number. Right, it's true. Very good. Next one.
Ma'am, I wrote in my book answers, ma'am, these answers.
No, no, you complete the task. Only we have two exercises in this. We will complete it today. Next one. C bit 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, this is C bit, Nana. B bit is given as in your textbook. 400 is predecessor of 399. 399 predecessor is 400. Is it true, children?
No, ma'am.
It is false.
Ma'am,
Next,
that's successor, ma'am.
Nana?
Ma'am, that's successor, ma'am, not predecessor.
Exactly, Aditya. Exactly, Yadharth. Right. Next, Yadharth, please. 600 is successor of 599.
Ma'am.
600 is successor of 599.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
True.
Next one. Leave it. All natural numbers are all natural numbers are all natural numbers are all natural numbers are whole numbers.
Yes, ma'am. True.
True, very good. All natural numbers are yes. Next one. All whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole
Ma'am, it
numbers
is false.
all whole numbers are not a natural numbers. 0 is not a natural number. They will question why. Why means 0 is not a natural. 0 is not a natural number. Next one. So we can say false. Exhibit. The predecessor of two-digit number is never a single digit. The predecessor of a two-digit number. Suppose 10 is a two-digit number. Predecessor means it's a single digit. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
But the predecessor of two-digit number is never a single digit. So it is. So it is.
False.
Yes. False. Which bit? Why it is? J bit.
Ma'am, it is the G bit.
Next one. Go to the next. Please, Jaydeep, read the questions, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. One is the smallest whole number. It is false.
Yeah, 1 is the smallest whole number. Which is the smallest whole number, children? Which is the smallest whole number? Yes or no? Which is the smallest whole number?
No, no, ma'am. False.
Zero.
Yes, 1 is the smallest whole number, so it is false. Right.
And I1 is the natural number. 1 has no predecessor. It is
Yeah, you
true.
see, the question I will, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. In natural,
Ma'am, it's true, ma'am, because whole number 1 has predecessor.
Very good, Nana. But it is false in this case, right? The natural,
Yes, ma'am.
the natural number. You just read the question carefully, children. The natural number 1 has natural number starts with 1 only. So 1 has
Yes, ma'am.
1 has no predecessor. No predecessor. So it is
True.
next one last.
Ma'am, can I read the next question?
Yes, sir. Yes, Harsha. Jaydeep, wait, Nana.
The
Harsha.
whole number 1 has no predecessor. It's false, ma'am.
Yeah, whole number. Very good. The whole number. Here the question is given as whole number.
Ma'am, this is what page number? It is page number 31.
Page number 31, Nana. 3131. The whole number. 1 has no predecessor. 1 has no predecessor.
Ma'am, whole number 1 has 0 as predecessor.
Yes. 0. Whole number starts with 0. So 1 has predecessor as 0. So it is false.
0 false.
False. Yes. Next one, Harsha, please. Yes, please.
Ma'am, next one is the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12.
Yes, you see, JK bit 13 is lies between 11 and 12. Is it true, children?
No, ma'am.
It's false. 13 is lies between 12 and
12 and 14.
yes, 12 is lies between 11 and 13. But here 13 lies
Yes.
between 11 and 12. It's false. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Yes or no?
Yes.
0. Whole number starts with 0. But 0 have any predecessor here, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So it is
True.
true. Very good. It is true. Which bit it is? JKL. Next, last one. The successor of two-digit number is always a two-digit number. 99. You see,
I'm false.
false, right?
Ma'am, it is false.
Which case it is false, Ashwath?
Ma'am?
Ashwath, in which
For-
case it is false? The successor
sub-
of two-digit number is always
Ma'am,
two-digit.
any number till 1 to, sorry, any number from 10 to 98 has a successor as a two-digit number, but 99 has a successor of 100, which is a three-digit number. Ma'am.
Exactly. Very
is
good.
why it's-
Wonderful answer. Wonderful. Good. Shall we go with the next exercise, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, exercise 2.2.
Yeah. Yes, Nana. First, every time I will teach concepts for you. Concepts are very important, children. Exercise ones you can try your own because see how much simple once concept is over. We can do very simple. Now, exercise 1.2 exercise 2.2. In this, find the sum using suitable rearrangement. Find the sum using suitable rearrangement. Find the sum. Find the sum using suitable rearrangement. Why two way?
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, can I tell the first question?
Yes, please tell the numbers, Nana.
Ma'am, 837 plus 208
Yes.
plus 363.
Yeah. In this case, which numbers we can rearrange here?
Mm,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I tell?
Wait,
we
wait,
can
wait, wait.
rearrange.
We'll go each and every bit one student. First, start with Harsha. Come on, Harsha. Which bits we can rearrange here? Why? You can give
Ma'am,
reason also. You should give reason also.
ma'am, A1, ma'am.
Yeah, this one. Next.
Ma'am, 363.
Very good. 363. We just combine. You are just making your arranging the order. Yes.
208, ma'am.
Very good. Come on, make it fast. Why you arranged these two as together? Can you please say that
Ma'am,
point also?
because they both are bigger than 202, ma'am.
Is it the same reason, Jaydeep?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, because when we add those, we will get zeros at the end, which can make our calculation easier.
Very good, Nana. Very good. See the units place here 7, here 3. If you combine those, our answer is getting as tens like that, so that your calculation part is
Ma'am,
more
can I
simple.
tell the answer?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, 1208, ma'am.
1208.
208.
This is 1208. Is it this is what how is it so 1208? No, I
No,
think
ma'am.
no. I think so, no. Sorry. Sorry, Yadharth, please.
Ma'am, ma'am, the answer is 1408.
Exactly. Let me. It is 37, it is 63, together 100. So 800 plus 100 is 900. 900 plus uh, 300 is 1200. 1200 plus 208. Come on, children. Now you can make it as 1200 plus 200. It's a 1408. Yes. Which property we are using since from? Which property? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, associative property.
Associative property, order change. Anywhere you are grouping? No, we are changing order, right? We are not grouping here. We are changing order. Both we are using. Just very good. Here we are changing order. Order we are taking this one, whatever the number 363 in third order, you are bringing to the second place. And you are sending second place to third. That means order change property is nothing but what?
Ma'am, commutative property.
Yes, commutative property. Since from commutative property of integers we are using and calculating this order changing. Next one. Next one question for Yadharth. Yadharth, the next question for Ashwath. Ashwath, ready with your, yeah, I'm writing question on the screen. 1962, 1962 plus 453
Ma'am,
plus 1538. Just a minute now. Just a minute. 1538, 647. Now, for whom I gave this question?
Ashwath, ma'am.
Ashwath.
Oh, ma'am, you gave it to, I think so. Ma'am, Yada.
Yadad. Ashwath, I will give multiplication.
Ma'am,
Yadad, come on, Yadad, please respond quickly, children. Don't waste the time. Quick.
ma'am,
Yes.
453
I want who are first
plus
here. You just to get
647.
453 and
647.
very good, Nana. 453 plus 647. You are grouping this. Then you check.
Ma'am, 53 plus 47 is equal to 100, ma'am.
Okay.
Then 600 plus 400 is 1000. Then plus 100 is 100, ma'am.
Wonderful. 1100 here. Then here you just please calculate here. Come on.
Ma'am, 62 plus 38 is equal to 100, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, I can hear you. Come on, quick.
then 1900 plus 100 is equal to 2000, ma'am. 2000 plus 1500 is equal to
Nana,
3500,
simple
ma'am.
means you have to think, Nana. See here, this is 62, this is 38. 62 plus 38, 100. This is 1900 plus 100, 2000. 2000 plus 1500.
Ma'am,
3,500.
2500, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, 3000. Sorry, ma'am.
3000, Nana. 3500. Why you are learning your Vedic math class means you should apply. Or else we are
Okay,
using
ma'am.
the properties also. Even both we are doing. So that you should do calculation without pen and paper, children.
Okay, ma'am.
3500 plus 4500, 4600 together. More 100 is there here. So it's a 4600. Which law we are using here? We are changing order. Which order change means?
Commutative property.
Commutative.
Commutative property. Right. Yes. Any doubts, children? Any doubts here till here?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts means so that please ask me so that I can help you, children. We'll go with the next bit. What is the next one in this? Find the product. Just now we did sum. Sum means addition. Product means what you should do, children? Product
Ma'am,
means
multiplication.
it's not multiplication. Come on. Find the product. Second bit. Find the product. Find the product. Yeah, you have many sums in your worksheets, children. I will upload immediately today after the class. The
Ma'am, can I tell the F bit, ma'am?
Nana?
Ma'am, can I tell the F bit?
Yes, Ashwath, this is for you.
Ma'am, I want to tell the last F bit, ma'am.
Last one in this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we will go with other students. There are many. Drona is also there in the classroom. Drona, please respond. Drona, find the product using suitable rearrangement. So here you have to take the numbers 2 multiplied with 1768. 1768 multiplied with 50. Yes.
Ma'am, I will first multiply with 2 into 50, ma'am.
Wonderful. 2 into 50 you make as a set. Then very good. Very good. This becomes what happens? 5 twos are.
Ma'am, 5 2 is it's 100, ma'am.
Very good. It's 100 multiplied with 1768. Any number multiplied with 1768, what happens, children? Any number multiplied with means same number you have to add backside zeros. That's all.
Ma'am, but add two zeros because it's 100.
Yes, you have to add backside 2 zeros. That's all. Since from which property we are using here? Yes. Which property we are using here?
Ma'am, associative.
Yes, associative property. Associative property means grouping. We are
Grouping
grouping.
property.
Yes, we are
Grouping.
grouping 2 and 50 together. Even though we are changing, both we are using children. We are changing and grouping. We are using the commutative as well as associative. We are changing the order and making as a group. Next one, let me take another bit. Shall I clear the screen, children, so that I can get a big
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next number, it's a B. 4 multiplied with, before going to this exercise, there are a few friends group I will write on the screen, children. If you see anywhere these 2 multiplied with 5 is 10, or 20 multiplied with 5 is 100, or if you have like a 2 multiplied with 50 is 2 multiplied with 50 is 100. These are the
Can I explain?
if you see anywhere you can make this as friends, then can you please 25 multiplied with 4? Yes.
25 multiplied by
Ma'am,
4 is 100. 20 into 5 is equals to 100.
Yeah, that is already written. Okay, any other things like that, please? What?
10 into 10.
10, anyway we are tens multiplication we won't take, it's very simple, Nana. 128 multiplied with 5 8, can I take as 10,000? Yes.
1250 into 8. No, ma'am.
ma'am,
125
150 into
into
2, ma'am. 1000.
Nana?
5 into 8 is
Yes, can
200,
I
ma'am,
take
I
as
think so.
25 into 4 here? This is nothing but how I supposed to take here 125 8 times how much?
1000.
Yes. Shall I take as 625 into 16?
Ma'am, 40 into 8 is, ma'am,
Yes, these are the friends group, Nana. If you find anywhere in your sum, you just make them as a group so that your calculations become more simple. Suppose in our B bit, already he said, Drona said first bit. This is for the Edarth. Edarth, please respond, Edarth. Edarth, who for whom I can make as a friends here?
Ma'am, 25 and 4, ma'am.
Yes, 4 multiplied with 25 make as a group. So that
Ma'am,
what it becomes? 4 into 25 is nothing but?
ma'am, 100 into 166 is 166
Yes,
plus 2 zeros at the back, ma'am.
exactly, Nana. If you do normal multiplication first, you should multiply these two. Whatever the answer you are getting, that you are multiplying. If you use your properties without doing pen and paper only, we can answer. Power of the that is the power of the laws of properties of exponents. That's why you can multiply in any order. You can add up in any order. The result remains the same. Why we can any order? If you use your this property, your answers you are getting without using pen and paper, you can solve the sum very fastly. Next one, JD.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first we should multiply 8 into 125,
Yes,
which is equals to 1000, and again 291 into 1000,
very
which
good,
is
very good.
equals to 2,91,000.
Wonderful. It's 8 into 125 are friends here. We can't separate those good friends. Those are very good friends. They will be very helpful for us. They make our calculation more simple. So you should not make them. You should not leave them separately. You just combine those. It's become 1,000 multiplied with 291. It's nothing but 291 followed by 3 zeros. We will read this number as a 2 lakhs, sorry, 2 lakhs 91,000. 2 lakhs 91,000. You have to mention the laws also, children. Which law? Since from which law you are using?
Associative
Yes,
and commutative.
yes, both associative as well as commutative. You can mention commutative as well as associative. Commutative as well as associative. The next is D bit. D bit. Now my question is, Yadar, are you there? Why you are not responding, Yadar? Yadar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yadar.
Ma'am, I didn't do that question, ma'am.
Yadar?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, who are friends here? Please try to get friends. Try to get friends so that our calculation is more simple.
Ma'am, 60 into 5.
Yes, very good. We can take as directly these two, right? Oh, Nana, what's time now, Nana?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is 6:29. Ma'am, actually, you shared one PDF in the WhatsApp group, right?
Yes.
In that, when I click for the mathematics, I got the question bank, ma'am.
Yeah. That is a textbook, Nana, PDF textbook, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Question bank also you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything.
Textbook and
Question
textbook
bank. Yes,
question
yes,
bank.
yes. Everything I shared, Nana, so that you can view every number of questions, not only from textbook. You can beyond from the textbook also you can get that. So, it is very helpful. Please check that, Nana. 285 multiplied with 300. Now you just horizontal multiplication, Nana. 285 three times. 200 three times is 600. 83 times means 240. That means how much, Nana? 8 threes are 15. 1 is 8 threes are 24, 25. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6 plus 6 plus 1 7 followed by. Is it same answer, children, you are getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. That's all for the day. Please practice your remaining questions so that you can understand. And one more thing, the last bit for Ashwath Reddy, please. What is the last bit, Ashwath? Ashwath?
Ma'am, ma'am, it is 85,500, ma'am.
Just a minute, Nana. E-bit, Ashwath, can you please question? Can you, Jaideep, can you give the question here? I just closed the book.
Yes, ma'am. It is 285
125.
into.
125 multiplied with 40.
Ma'am, it is 285, ma'am.
285 కాదు మన 125 multiplied with 40 and then 8 multiplied with 25. Now Ashwath Reddy, he is asking me, I will tell that
Yes, ma'am.
oh
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
this is F bit, this is sorry, yes, F bit, Nana, sorry, what you said is correct only. This is E bit is 285. 285 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 6. Already we completed this.
Ma'am, should I answer, ma'am?
Yes, this is for you.
Ma'am, 125 into 40 into 8 into 25 equal to brackets 125 into 25 into brackets 40 plus into 8, ma'am. Then
No, 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 no.
125.
My question is, who are friends? First, you tell that. That's all.
Ma'am, first the friends are 125 into 8, ma'am.
125 and
8, ma'am.
8. Then, who are other two sets of friends?
Ma'am, 40 and 25.
If you make like that only, they won't fight. If you make others will together means they will fight, children. They won't give correct answer. It takes a long time. Well, this is nothing but 1,000 multiplied with 25 fours are 100. It's once again 1,000. You can make it as 1 followed by 6 zeros. How you will read 1 followed by 6 zeros? It's 10 lakhs. That's all for the day, children. Maybe I have other class, the other students are there.